Good morning, students. Welcome to GK class. Today we are going to discuss another chapter of GK, which is holy places. Do you know there are so many holy places in India? So I will tell you about the holy places. India is a spiritual land of different religions. A pilgrimage is a long journey or search of great moral significance. Do you know what is the meaning of pilgrimage? Pilgrimage, a long journey that a person makes to visit a religious place. It's a journey to a sacred place or shrine of importance to a person believes of faith. And a person who makes such a journey is called a pilgrim. And a person who visits to a religious place is called pilgrim. And the Hindu religion recognizes seven holy places, holy cities, commonly known as Saptpuri. And the cities are Ayodhya, Mathura, Haridwar, Varanasi, Dwarka, Ujjain. Varanasi is a holy place or holy city of Hinduism. Holy cities are places regarded as sacred by a particular religion due to significance attached to it. So let's talk about, or I will show you holy places in India. Yes, students. First holy place in India, that is Jagannath Temple in Puri in the state of Odisha. The Sri Jagannath Temple of Puri is an important Hindu temple dedicated to Jagannath, a form of Lord Vishnu, in Puri in the state of Odisha on the eastern coast of India. And this temple is famous for its annual Rath Yatra or Chariot festival, in which the three principal deities are pulled on huge and elaborately decorated temple cars. And why this temple is famous? This temple is an important pilgrimage destination, and this temple is sacred to all Hindus, especially in those of Vaishnava tradition. Students, next holy place, that is Somnath Temple in Viraval in Gujarat. The Somnath Temple is one of an important pilgrimage and tourist spot of Gujarat. The Somnath Temple located in Prabhas Patan near Junagadh in Saurashtra on the western coast of Gujarat, and India is believed to be the first among the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines of Shiva. Yes, students. Next holy place is Varanasi. Varanasi is famous for BHU and Ghats. BHU means Banaras Hindu University, formerly Central Hindu College, is a public central university located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. It was established in 1916 by Madan Mohan Malviya with cooperation from Annie Besant, and it is the largest residential university in Asia. And most of the people visiting the Ghat on usual days are students from nearby Banaras Hindu University. And most Varanasi Ghats were built in the 18th century when the city came under Maratha rule. And ghats in Varanasi are riverfront step leading to the bank of the river Ganga, and morning boat ride on the Gangas across the ghat is a popular visitor attraction. Yes, students. Next holy place is Kali Temple, that is in Kolkata. Kali Ghat Kali Temple is a Hindu temple in Kolkata, and Kali Ghat Temple in Kolkata is a sacred Hindu temple dedicated to goddess Kali. And Kolkata, now its name is Kolkata. It is believed to have been named after Kali Ghat, and the temple is now on the bank of a small canal called Adi Ganga, which connects to the Hooghly, and it is one of the 51 Shakti Peeths that are considered sacred in Hindu religion. And the 51 Shakti Peeths are the locations where Sati's body part are said to have fallen during Shiva's Rudra Tandav. Yes, students. Next holy place is Golden Temple. Golden Temple is in Amritsar, and it is also known as Harmandir Sahib. It is not only a central religious place of the Sikh but also a symbol of human brotherhood and equality. and it was built by Maharaja Ranjit Singh in 1830 purely with marble and gold. And Golden Temple is visited by people from all over the world who come here to seek spiritual and religious fulfillment. Yes, students, next holy place is Tribeni Sangam in Allahabad or in Prayagraj. And one such Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj has the confluence of three rivers, the Gangas, Yamuna, and a third mythical river, Saraswati. Confluence means the place where two or more rivers or the area of water join together to become one single river. And the two rivers maintain their visible identity and can be identified by their different colors. The water of Ganga is clear while that of the Yamuna is greenish in color. Yes, students. Last holy place, that is Jama Masjid. Jama Masjid is in New Delhi. So Jama Masjid is one of the largest mosques in India, and it was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan between 1650 and 1656 at a cost of 1 million rupees and was inaugurated by Imam Zayyad Abdul Zafar Shah Bukhari from Bukhara, present day Uzbekistan. So students, I hope you have understood the chapter. So please read and revise the chapter again, and thank you and have a nice day.